morning students. Today we are going to study new lesson. We have completed our unit test 1 exam and now we are going to study for term end exam which will be taken in October. Okay. Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is Be a Writer 1. What is the name of our lesson? Lesson number 7. Be a Writer first. Now there are two parts. Okay. First part is in first term and second part is in second term. Be a writer. Okay, be a writer means what? You have to imagine some things and then you have to write down what you have imagined. Understood? Here it is told that what Isha said. Something about Isha's day is given. Are you understanding? One day comes in her life and then how she reacts with her friends, how she reacts with her parents, how she reacts with her neighbors. Everything is given in the lesson. What you have to do? You have to imagine. For example, now here I will just read for you. Here it is lesson number 7. Be a writer 1. What Isha said. The following pictures show a day in Isha's life. एक दिवस असतो ईशाच्या लाईफ मधला, त्याच्याबद्दल माहिती दिली. ओके, लुक ॲट द पिक्चर्स केअरफुली युजिंग युअर इमॅजिनेशन. गेस व्हॉट ईशा मस्ट हॅव सेड or will say on each occasion. Then write the complete conversation in your notebook. Have you understood what you have to do? Now one conversation is given. Now timing is what? Timing is 6:30 morning. Is it correct? Yes, 6:30 morning. Then 9 o'clock morning. Second. Conversation means what? Conversation means talk between two people. Okay. 6:30. 9 o'clock, after that 10 o'clock, okay, third one 10 o'clock, after that is evening 8 o'clock, evening 8:30, and at night 9:30. So how many conversations are there? There are 6 conversations. Conversation म्हणजे काय? ज्या वेळेस आपण एखाद्या व्यक्तीबरोबर बोलतो, when we speak with somebody else or some another person, that is called converse. Converse means what? Bolne. Okay. And Isha early in the morning she speaks or she converses with her mother. Understood? When she goes in school at 9 o'clock she converses with her friend. Okay, that is our second picture. Third one is teacher is asking some questions to students and they are listening and they are giving answers. In that also Isha is giving answer. That is third conversation at 10 o'clock. After that, evening 8 o'clock, she sits with her grandma and she's watching television. Television means what? She's watching TV. That is fourth conversation. After that is dinner, right? Eating food in evening with all family members or with your parents. That was fifth picture. That is fifth picture. And sixth picture is going to the bed, means going to sleep. Okay, in this way there are 6 pictures. We have to read those pictures. What mother is saying, what friends is saying, what teachers are saying, what grandma is saying, what parents are saying during dinner, and what mother is saying while sleeping. That everything is given. But what Isha is going to say her others, that we have to imagine. Imagine means what? Imagine म्हणजे काय? आपण कल्पना करायची की ईशा काय म्हणणार. ओके, वो क्या बोलने वाली है, what she is going to say. That we have to write by ourselves. आपल्या मनाने लिहायचे. Okay. Now first picture. What mother is saying to Isha. Look here now. First picture. Morning. Hurry up or you will be late. Who is saying? Mother is saying to Isha. Now in front of Isha what is there? There is a milk glass. Then what Isha will say her mother? Isha is saying her mother that, yes mom, let me drink milk. Understood? What she will say her mother? I am talking about first picture. Yes mom, let me drink milk. Yes mom, let me drink milk. Her mother is saying, hurry up. You will be late. She is saying, Yes, mom. Yes, mom. Let me drink milk. Where you have to write down that? Here, two lines are given below the picture. Can you see? You have to write down here those answers. Understood? Now, second picture, 9 o'clock. She's meeting her friend. Now, her friend is saying that I think you should tell the teacher about it. Understood? What is given in that picture now? Someone has torn her book. कुणीतरी तिचं बुक फाडलेलं आहे आणि तिची मैत्रीण काय म्हणतीये की आय थिंक यू शुड टेल द टीचर अबाउट इट. देन व्हॉट शी विल से, व्हॉट ईशा विल से, ईशा विल से येस I will tell teacher that my cover was torn by someone. Her notebook cover is torn. Someone has taken her notebook and torn her notebook. Then what she will say? Yes, I will tell. Yes. Yes, I should. Or I will tell. Yes, I will tell teacher that someone has torn my notebook cover. Okay, have you understood? That is second picture. Below that picture you have to write down 4 to 5 lines are given. Below that picture you have to write down that. Next one is third one. Now teacher is saying that's not right answer, Nikhil. Teacher is saying that's not right answer. Can you see? Your teacher is saying to Nikhil. Question is asked by teacher at 10 o'clock and then what it is? That's not the right answer, Nikhil. Who is saying? Teacher is saying. Correct? Then what will be, what she is saying, what Isha will say? Then Isha will say, ma'am, can I tell the answer? What she is going to say? Ma'am or madam, can I tell the answer? Can I tell the answer? Correct? This is third one. She is raising her hand. ते करती तिचा हात वरती करती आणि काय म्हणतीये? Can I tell the answer? This is our imagination. आपण आपल्या मनाने करतोय ते सेंटेन्स की ईशा असं बोलली असेल, ईशा तशी बोलली असेल. Okay, that we are making sentences on our own. Sixth sentence is evening 8 o'clock. Why do you like the program so much? Okay. Now her grandma is saying, Isha's grandma is saying her, why do you like the program so much? Now which program? Mostly Isha will like cartoon. So what Isha will say? I like to watch cartoons. Or I like cartoon channels. I like cartoon channels very much. Very much, grandma. Very much, grandma. Okay. She likes cartoons. She likes to watch cartoons. So she's telling I like cartoons, cartoon channels very much, grandma. Okay. Next one is evening during dinner. Here it is told that father is saying her something. Now can you see father is saying something? You must eat everything that's on your plate. Who is saying? Father is saying. Then what she is telling? Papa, I don't like these vegetables. Okay. Father is saying you should eat everything, and then what Isha is saying? Now you can see in the picture you have books at home. Now in her plate what is there? Some vegetables are given, so she don't like vegetables to eat. You also don't like vegetables to eat. So what she will say? Papa, I don't like vegetables. I don't like vegetables to eat. Okay, that is about fifth picture. And last one, her mother is saying something to Isha. But you have heard that story before, Isha. Isha is saying, Mummy or Mama, please tell me fairy story, or tell me fairy tales story, or tell me stories of ghosts. And then mother is saying, you have already heard about those stories. But before that, what Isha is saying her mother, Mama, can you, or Mom, can you tell me, story of fairies? Can you tell me story of fairy tales? Mom, can you tell me story of fairy tales? Okay, anything you can write down. In this way, what we have done, what Isha is saying, that we have imagined, correct? आपण काय केलेले, कल्पना केली की ईशा असं म्हटली असेल, and then we have completed 6 picture reading. Write down these all sentences in your English book. Where you have to write down? You have to write down all these sentences in English book. Understood? Are you getting or not? And if same sentences are there in English workbook, that also you have to complete. Okay? I will see whether it is there or not in workbook, but it will be there 101%. Same sentences you have to write down in English workbook. Understood? This time, textbook, notebook and workbook all together we are going to take. I am not going to take workbook afterwards. All together. Okay? Thank you.